So I had to stop the video earlier. Had a phone call. So this is the second video for Thursday, November the 6th. We're continuing on. We stopped somewhere around here. So let's see where the market it's gonna head. Remember, I put on this box earlier on the first video. Let's see if it's gonna go there. And I've got the 5 minute, I mean the 1 minute ninja chart right here for trading. And I've got it on the SIM account. I'm done for my for the day for me. I'm not gonna touch my accounts. I just want to do this as educational purposes, just so you guys could see uh, when the market gets to the TNT levels and angles, the possibility for success. In the earlier video, remember I said I want the RSI to come back here on the 5 minute to be in an overbought condition. So we are getting there. We're almost there with we just got there with the 1 minute, but on the 5 minute we're still fighting. So the market did go into the box. Let's see. If I'm going to short this here, ideally what I want to see is double top around here, and then I'll short it. This is an aggressive short, scalping short right here. But again, I want the market to come back here around here and do a double top, and then I'll short it. If I miss it, that's fine. I'm still okay. But for the video, I'm just going to put a scalping short right here. Okay, we got filled at 87.75 and out at 86.25 on two contracts. My thing with this aggressive shorts or buys is especially when you have a good day and you still want to trade, which you shouldn't. But let's say if you still want to trade, use the micro contract, and just so that way you could, your loss is limited. And why do you think I have just a six take profit? I want to create that consistency of profit and success within my mind. That's key for trading. Your mindset is one of the biggest factors in trading success. So you want to give your mind that success consistency, so that way you create that confidence going forward. Most people don't have that. I didn't have that when I started. And every time, let's say if I go in on a trade and I change my targets, I end up losing it. So I've programmed myself not to change it. and I'm okay if the market drops 100 points or 200 points from here. That's fine. I did get my profit. Okay, look at where this bar opened. This 5-minute bar. So I have a feeling this wants to go higher. It opened right above the close of that's a good signal too for long. But don't go long. This is you want to short the market if it gets here with a double top and divergence. If it breaks this level here, that means it's going to go higher. But let the market tell us the story. But the fact that this 5-minute bar opened right there, that's a good thing. And one more thing on the chart that, as you guys could see, I don't have too many or wait like indicators. All I have is the RSI and my TNT support and resistance levels and angles. I don't even have moving averages. For me, they confuse me. They create you know, errors, decision making opportunities for me, so I don't use them. You have to keep it as simple as possible. Make trading as simple and as easy as possible. So if this market really wanted to go down, this 5-minute bar should have opened below this one here, but it didn't. So what do you think is happening right now? There is another fight going on between buyers and sellers. And when there's a fight, you don't want to be in the middle. All right, so we've got kind of a double top right there. This one didn't really go all the way to the overbought yet on the 5 minute. So I'm not too crazy to short it yet, but an aggressive short would be to go below one of these bars here. But just for the sake of it, we'll put below here. Well, let's just go in and move it forward. Again, so this is against my rules, by the way. I don't trade this way. It has to break like one of these lows in order to go for me to go low in. But again, this is an aggressive short with a stop above here. And remember, I said I'll move my stop and I lose. So it already hit my target several times. So let's just. So that was another trade right there. Ideally, you wanted to wait on this bar. See, I got into this bar. You wanted to wait to go below this bar, this one right there. And it was aggressive because I don't see an overbought condition here. So, and this one, it's right there in the middle. So there's still undecisiveness here. Again, aggressive. Okay, it's already gone. I was going to say aggressive trade will be to put a short below this level here. But here is the double top that I was talking about. I really wanted to come up a little more right here, but it came right there with a divergence. That was a good trade. I wasn't 100% convinced on that one as I was on these other ones, but the market did, the market did follow through. Now the key level is this next TMT level right there. And I think it's going to act as support for now. Unless it breaks and continues. We'll see. So we got on this one, our entry was 89. Our exit was 84. So five points on two contracts. So I'm just gonna call it a day. Uh, we've seen what's happening for now, and I'll do another one later on.